What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Zemabawk YMCA from Mizoram are the new champions of the Northeast Region YMCA Futsal Tournament. In a nail-biting final at Jowai, they edged past Lingkot YMCA of Meghalaya 4-3. The two-day tournament organized by Jowai City YMCA on October 1st and 2nd brought together 8 spirited teams: Zemabawk YMCA, Lingkot YMCA, Aizol YMCA, Nongtalang YMCA Team A and B, Jowai City YMCA Team A and B, and Shangpung YMCA. Chief Guest Krobok Pasa, District Sports Officer of West Giant Hills, praised the YMCA's efforts in youth development. YMCA leaders also spoke of the organization's legacy in promoting sports and guiding young people towards positive change. The closing ceremony honored the winners. Lalram Sanga of Zemabawk was named Player of the Tournament. Lingkot YMCA received Best Futsal Team, and Aizol YMCA was awarded Best Debut Team. With cheers and celebrations, the 2025 YMCA Futsal Tournament ended as a true celebration of sport and unity in the Northeast.
Which encourage youth in uplifting their life in sports activities. YMCA has always been known for its commitment to youth development, healthy living, and community building. This futsal is not only a match for you, but it is a gathering where all of you are here to take part and also to live life in a befitted way. I welcome all the team from different parts of Northeast India, especially who have come all the way from Aizol. I welcome you all to this beautiful town of us, though it is small, but we welcome you with love. And also, I welcome you to have a pleasant stay in our beautiful town of West Giant Hills in Jowai. My best wishes to each and all, to all the participants who will be participating in this tournament. We here in Jowai, it's a very small place, and this is one place where it is very beautiful, and you can see around there are very less houses also this side. I want you to know that Jowai is a place where football is very passionate to every youth. We are here to uplift football from the department, and also, as I have seen, even YMCA is also one of the organization who is uplifting sports and game in their organization. So thank you very much for uplifting this sport. In our life, in our daily life, we need to be healthy. So sports is one of the sphere where we can be healthy, and also it teaches us life to be friendly and to be involved with different communities.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.